улица, площади, улица, площади,
From the phrase you heard earlier, you heard the word Tverskaya, as in Tverskaya Street. This is a very popular street in Moscow, perhaps the most popular. Listen again to the speaker say, Tverskaya Street.
Тверской улице, Тверской улице,
Try again to say, Tverskaya Street.
Тверской улице, Тверской улице,
If we go back to the phrase we're trying to learn, that is, I know the restaurant's at Tverskaya Street, the speaker is literally saying, I know what restaurant is at Tverskaya Street. Let's listen and repeat to the speaker say, what?
Что? Что?
So when the speaker is saying, I know the restaurant is at Tverskaya Street, he literally begins the sentence with, I know what restaurant, or Я знаю что. Listen and repeat.
Я знаю, что ресторан находится на Тверской улице. Я знаю, что ресторан находится на Тверской улице.
Try to say in Russian, I know.
Я знаю. Я знаю.
Listen to the speaker say, please.
Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста.
As opposed to its English counterpart, this word can also mean, you're welcome, if you would, and, as you just learned, please. Listen and repeat.
Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста.
From what you've learned, try to say, please, do you know?
Пожалуйста, вы знаете? Пожалуйста, вы знаете?
Now try to say, please, do you know where it is?
Пожалуйста, вы знаете, где это находится? Пожалуйста, вы знаете, где это находится?
Can you remember which part of that sentence means where?
Где? Где?
Now say in Russian, I'm from Moscow.
Я из Москвы. Я из Москвы.
Let's change gears a bit. Listen to the speaker ask, "Do you have any rubles?"
У вас есть рубли? У вас есть рубли?
As you probably noticed, the speaker did not use any form of the word you, as you've learned, or
Вы.
what the speaker is literally asking in Russian is, "At your place exists?" Or in other words, "At your place exists any rubles?" Listen and repeat to the speaker ask, "Do you have?"
У вас есть? У вас есть?
Try to ask in Russian, "Do you have?"
У вас есть? У вас есть?
In case you weren't sure, rubles is the national currency of Russia. Listen to the Russian word for rubles.
Рубли. Рубли.
What you just heard is the plural form of ruble. Listen and repeat to the speaker say, rubles.
Рубли. Рубли.
Do you remember how to ask, "Do you have?"
У вас есть? У вас есть?
From what you've learned, try to ask, "Do you have any rubles?" Or literally, "At your place exists rubles?"
У вас есть рубли? У вас есть рубли?
Try to ask, "Excuse me, miss, do you have any rubles?"
Девушка, прошу прощения. У вас есть рубли? Девушка, прошу прощения. У вас есть рубли?
Now let's listen to the speaker respond, "I have rubles."
У меня есть рубли. У меня есть рубли.
If you remember a little bit ago, when the speaker asked, "Do you have any rubles?" the literal translation was, "At your place exists any rubles?" This is the same case with "At my place exists rubles," or "I have rubles." Listen to the speaker say, "I have."
У меня есть. У меня есть.
If you can remember, parts of this phrase that you just heard are words that you've learned previously. That is, with the phrase, "I'm fine." If you remember, "I'm fine" was literally translated as, "At my place is okay." Do you remember how to say, "I'm fine"?
У меня все хорошо.